Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to AI Web Explorer, your go-to spot for all things AI on the web. Now, if you're anything like me, you're obsessed with finding those hidden gems, those tools that can completely change your workflow. And let's be real, podcasting is blowing up right now. But who's got time for all the editing and back-end stuff? Well, that's where AI swoops in to save the day. We're diving deep into the world of AI-powered podcasting tools. Let's get started. First up, we've got Descript. Now, this tool is a game changer, especially if you're all about that seamless editing flow. Imagine this, you can edit your audio by actually editing the text transcript. Descript uses AI to transcribe your audio and then lets you edit the audio by just editing the text. Deleted a word in the text? Boom, it's gone from the audio too. Need to rearrange some sentences? Just drag and drop, and Descript will automatically adjust the audio for you. No more messing around with waveforms, trying to find those tiny little cuts. Descript also comes packed with other AI-powered features like noise reduction, audio enhancement, and even the ability to clone your voice. You can create realistic-sounding synthetic versions of your voice for intros, outros, or even to fix those little mistakes without having to re-record entire sections. Trust me, once you go Descript, you won't go back. Check it out yourself and let me know what you think in the comments below. Next up is Podcastle, and this one's for all my podcasters who want a one-stop shop for all their production needs. We're talking recording, editing, enhancing, you name it, Podcastle's got you covered. And the best part, it's all powered by AI, so you know it's going to be good. The interface is super intuitive even if you're new to podcasting. They've got this really cool feature called Magic Dust that automatically cleans up your audio, removing background noise and making everything sound crisp and clear. Podcastle also has some really powerful AI tools for things like adding intros and outros, creating sound effects, and even transcribing your episodes. Plus, they're constantly adding new features, so you know you're always getting the latest and greatest. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to produce high-quality podcasts, Podcastle is definitely worth checking out. It's like having a whole production studio right at your fingertips. Alright, let's talk about audio quality for a second. Because let's be real, nobody wants to listen to a podcast that sounds like it was recorded in a wind tunnel. That's where Auphonic comes in. This tool is like having a professional audio engineer master your podcast, but without the hefty price tag. Auphonic uses AI to automatically balance your audio levels, reduce noise, and enhance the overall sound quality of your podcast. Just upload your audio files to Auphonic, and their AI algorithms will work their magic. Whether you're recording in a professional studio or just in your bedroom, Auphonic can help you achieve that radio-ready sound. Trust me, your listeners will thank you for it. Chapter 4. Sonics. Transcribe your podcasts with lightning speed. Now let's talk about transcriptions. They're essential for making your podcast accessible to a wider audience. But let's be honest, transcribing your episodes can be a real pain. But don't worry, Sonics is here to save the day. Sonics is an AI-powered transcription service that can transcribe your podcast episodes with lightning speed and impressive accuracy. We're talking about getting your transcripts back in minutes, not hours or days. Sonics uses advanced speech recognition technology to transcribe your audio, and it can even identify different speakers. Once your episode is transcribed, you can easily edit it within Sonics, export it in various formats, and even create captions for your podcast videos. Sonics takes care of everything for you so you can focus on what you do best, creating awesome content. Chapter 5. Clean voice. Say goodbye to filler words and stumbles. Okay, let's be real for a second. We all use filler words like, and like when we talk. It's natural, but it can be distracting for listeners. And sometimes we stumble over our words or make little mistakes that we wish we could just edit out. Well, that's where Clean Voice comes in. This AI-powered tool automatically detects and removes filler words, stumbles, and other unwanted sounds from your podcast, making you sound more polished and professional. Clean Voice analyzes your audio and identifies those little imperfections that you might not even notice yourself. Then, it seamlessly removes them, leaving you with clean, crisp audio. And the best part is, it doesn't sound robotic or unnatural. Clean Voice preserves the natural flow of your speech, so your listeners won't even realize that anything has been edited. Chapter 6. Podinbox. Engage your audience with voice messages. Now let's talk about audience engagement. Building a strong connection with your listeners is crucial for any successful podcast. And what better way to do that than by letting them be a part of the show? That's where Podinbox comes in. This awesome tool allows your audience to send you voice messages directly, which you can then easily include in your podcast episodes. It's like having a virtual suggestion box, but way more personal and engaging. With Podinbox, you can give your listeners a voice, literally. They can share their thoughts, ask questions, or even just say hello. You just create a Podinbox account and then share your unique link with your audience. They can then leave you a voice message right from their web browser or smartphone. Podinbox is a game changer for podcasters who want to increase audience engagement and create a more interactive listening experience. Chapter 7. Interviews are a staple of many podcasts, but recording high-quality audio with guests in different locations can be a challenge. Unless you're using Zencastr, that is. Zencastr is a game changer for remote recording. It's a web-based platform that allows you to record studio-quality audio with guests from anywhere in the world. Zencastr records each participant's audio locally, ensuring crystal-clear sound, even if their internet connection isn't the best. You just send your guest a link, and they can join the recording session right from their web browser. Zencastr also offers a bunch of other cool features like automatic audio and video syncing, separate audio track recording for each guest, and even HD video recording. No more dealing with clunky Skype calls or low-quality audio. Chapter 8. Headliner. Create scroll-stopping audiograms for social media. Promoting your podcast on social media is essential for reaching new listeners. But let's be real, static images with your podcast cover art just don't cut it anymore. You need something eye-catching, something engaging, something that will make people stop scrolling and hit that play button. That's where Headliner comes in. Headliner helps you create stunning audiograms, those animated waveform videos with your podcast audio that are perfect for sharing on social media. Just upload your audio file, choose a template, customize the colors and fonts, and you're good to go. Headliner even offers a library of royalty-free music and sound effects that you can add to your audiograms. Trust me, once you start using Headliner, you'll never go back to boring old static images for your podcast promotion. Chapter 9. Riverside.fm- your all-in-one platform for audio and video podcasts. Okay, so you want to take your podcast to the next level with video? I get it, video podcasts are blowing up right now, but recording high-quality video, especially with guests in different locations, can be a technical nightmare. Well, not anymore thanks to Riverside.fm. Riverside.fm is a studio-quality recording platform that makes it easy to record professional-looking video podcasts, even if you're not in the same room as your guests. Riverside.fm records each participant's audio and video locally, ensuring the highest possible quality. Plus, they offer a bunch of cool tools for editing your video podcasts so you can create truly professional-looking content. Chapter 10. Raphonic. Unlock the secrets of your podcast audience. Last but not least, let's talk about analytics. Understanding your podcast audience is crucial for growth. You need to know who's listening, what they like, and what they don't like. And that's where Raphonic comes in. Raphonic gives you deep insights into your podcast audience, so you can make data-driven decisions to grow your show. With Raphonic, you can see detailed demographics about your listeners like their age, gender, location, and interests. You can also track your podcast's performance over time, see which episodes are resonating with your audience, and even get recommendations for potential guests. Raphonic's real power lies in its ability to help you find new listeners. They have this awesome feature called Podcast Match that analyzes your podcast and then recommends other podcasts with similar audiences. Outro: level up your podcast game with AI. So there you have it, guys. 10 hidden AI tools that can completely transform your podcasting game. From AI-powered editing and transcription to audience engagement and analytics, these tools have got you covered at every stage of the podcasting journey. If you found this deep dive into the world of AI podcasting tools helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to AI Web Explorer for more awesome AI discoveries. Now go forth and create some amazing podcasts. And be sure to let me know in the comments which of these tools you're most excited to try out.